Hello everyone. Today I am going to introduce a new social media marketing tool called Tweetdeck. If you are looking for a way to manage multiple Twitter accounts, then Tweetdeck is a tool to consider. Tweetdeck is a highly specialized service that offers Twitter users a comprehensive and a completely free way to manage multiple Twitter accounts. We can see here below each tweet the icons that make it easy for us to reply, retweet, like it. When you click on the three dots on the right, further options appears. From this drop-down menu, you can send direct messages, add or remove people from list, mute or block a user, get a link to the tweet, or get the embed code to share the tweet on your blog. One of the biggest benefits of TweetDeck is that you can manage multiple Twitter accounts. To add a Twitter account to TweetDeck, click the accounts icon at the bottom of the left-hand column in TweetDeck. Click link another account you own at the bottom and follow the instructions to authorize the account with Twitter. From this interface, you can look at details of all your connected accounts, including follower numbers and recent tweets. When you start to write a tweet, all the accounts you have connected will be displayed. You can select an account you want to tweet from. You can also follow other Twitter users from several accounts at once. To do this, view this profile by clicking on the username with Tweetdeck. Click on the three dots icon and then select follow from accounts. From here, you can select which of your Twitter accounts should follow that profile. Another one is live streaming. If you don't need to click refresh or scroll to see the latest updates, you can just watch as posts are shared in real time. I have disabled it right now. If you want to enable it, go to settings and enable the stream tweets in real time because it is too fast. As you see, there are so much columns in this screen. One of the powerful features in TweetDeck is the ability to add as many columns as you want. You can customize these columns to make sure they are relevant and useful. To add a new column in TweetDeck, click the Add column at the bottom of the left-hand menu. You will see this screen, which allows you to choose the type of column you want to add. First one is Home. This shows the Twitter feed of the particular account, which we already have right now. Next one is User. This shows all the tweets from a particular person or a particular account. For example, let me choose Sachin. Yeah, add to the column. We can see all the tweets from Sachin Tendulkar in this column. Next one is notifications. We have already the notifications column here. It shows all the mentions, replies, retweets, likes, and new followers from a Twitter account. Next one is search. Input any search term for hashtag and this column will show all matching results like IPL auction 221. Yeah, it shows, this column shows all the tweets in the hashtag. Next one is list. This column shows all the tweets from people in specific Twitter list. I have a list with 8 members added to, like, if you can form a group, it's like that. Edit, you can add another person, another account, or into a graphics, and done. You can change the name always. This is the list column. Next one is collections. This shows tweets that have been added to a collection. If a new collection, yeah. In this collection I had at Studio Flex. Any tweet. If you want to add another one, enter the tweet URL here. Like if you want to add this, copy link to the tweet. Yeah, this comes to our new collection. Now next one. Trending. This shows hashtags, words, and phrases that are trending at any given time. This one is likes. This shows the tweets that you have liked. Next one is messages. This column displays a Twitter account messages, particular accounts messages. And next one is mentions. Similar to notifications, but only shows the mentions and replies for an account. For a particular account, if you want to do this, add column. Okay. Next one is followers. This column lists the followers of a Twitter account. Like you want to see, I have seen the latest followers of my accounts. Next one is scheduled. You can see all the tweets you have scheduled for future dates. I didn't have anything, that's why. Next, messages, all accounts. This column shows the direct messages to all the Twitter accounts you have connected to Tweetdeck. Next one is mentions, that is also for all accounts. This column shows the mentions and replies to every Twitter account you have connected on Tweetdeck. Next one is activity. This shows more activity than appear on your timeline, such as tweets that people you follow have liked, like your friend have liked. When you add a column, you can then customize it, like by clicking the symbol in the top right hand corner of the column. You can add extra instructions, like if you click tweet content, you can see the following options, like you can show all tweets with images, tweets with videos, with GIFs, any media. Like if you want to see the videos, only with videos will come. And you can choose to show keywords, like matching keywords, if you want to include or exclude it. If you want to show IPL keywords, you can type any keyword like election. Yeah, this have selections. It has election, yeah. There's TN election hashtags if you don't want, and you can include exclude the retweets. If you don't want to see any retweets in your timeline, just do it and only see the tweets. And under tweet others, you can choose whether all users, specific users, verified users, or only your own tweets that you should be included. You can also see the tweets that mention you or that mention other specific users. I can always shift this column like as you wish, and if you want to delete a particular column, you can remove. And for the navigation purpose, we have a shorthand techniques, like if you want to go to settings, keyboard shortcuts, like there are so much shortcuts, it's very, if you click one, it will directly go to the first column and 0 final column. Likewise, you have so many things like reply, retweet, like, so many things is there. This menu, if you want to see this menu, like yeah, this shows particular tweet. If you click R to say reply, and like that. Next one is scheduling. One of the most useful features of Tweetdeck is the ability to schedule tweets to send at a later time. To do this, click the new tweet button at the top left hand corner and write the tweet you want to send. You can click add images or video if you want to include an image or video. Then let's click the schedule tweet and scroll down. You will see a calendar where you can choose the time and date. Just choose it and click the tick ready to schedule and tweet. And your tweet will send at that time, whether you are online or not. If you're trying to catch up with the latest tweets in your industry, but everybody is tweeting about a particular show or a person and can easily get distracted, the answer is to mute that particular hashtag or the most vocal offenders in Tweetdeck. You can always unmute them after the TV program or particular show is over. There are 2 ways to do this. Most users do this, like mute users directly from the tweets by clicking the 3 dots and mute it. For other options, go to the settings menu, settings, and mute. Here You can mute tweet source and words or phrases. 10. Next one is a Teams feature. Within Teams feature on Tweetdeck, you can invite your colleagues to use a company account without having to share the password with them. As an account owner, you can grant them access to the account as admins or contributors. Setting up a team in Tweetdeck is easy. Just log in with the account you are sharing access to, choose accounts in the navbar, and then select that account. Like, for example, I have chosen this. You type the username, then you want to invite, and click authorize to invite them to the team account. The team members can then log into the Tweetdeck with their own Twitter account, and you can use the team account by visiting that accounts tab. There are 3 roles. There is owner role, admin role, and contributor role. Owner role can manage passwords and login verification and is the ultimate owner, can do anything. And admin is the one has same action as the owner but without being able to manage passwords and login settings. And next one is the contributor and his rights limited to actions on behalf of the team account like tweeting, retweeting, DM, like scheduled tweets, and that's all. And finally, Tweetdeck is a very useful tool and offers a great functionality given that it's completely free to use. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.